Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ife from Ife's Kitchen. Welcome back. So for today's recipe, we're going to be preparing goat and chicken meat pepper soup with a little bit of yam in it. So let's get right into it. For ingredients, I need already washed fresh goat and chicken meat, as you can see. Then nicely chopped yam. I also need nicely chopped onion, dried fish, stockfish, my pepper soup spice, grinded crayfish, a little bit of scent leaf. I'm going to add Uziza to it, my seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt. So we'll start by cooking my meat, and now I'm going to add my ginger to it, my ginger spice to it, and also my nicely chopped onion to it, and my seasoning cube. I'm going to be using a lot of seasoning cube for the meat, just so I don't add extra while cooking my pepper soup. So I'm adding a pinch of salt to it and a little bit of water, which I will use to cook the meat. So after the meat, I just want to cook the meat until it's properly done. And now the meat is ready, so I'll add extra water so we can start cooking our pepper soup. So I'm going to add an extra 2 cups of water into my pot of meat. Then I will add my dried fish and my stockfish into the pot as well, and my already grinded crayfish, I will add that into the pot as well. And I will also add my grinded dried pepper. As you can see, I'm also going to be using fresh pepper, blended fresh pepper for it. I'm adding my pepper soup spice now, and I'm going to stir for a while. Then I will add about a spoon of freshly blended Habanero pepper, which I'm going to stir. I will cover it and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. After which, when it boils really well, I will then add my nicely chopped yam to my pot of pepper soup. So I'll stir it for a while. I'm going to stir it for a little while. Then I will cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes now, so my yam seems like it's already cooked. So I'm going to add my already chopped Uziza and scent leaf to my pot of pepper soup. I will let it cook for about 5 minutes or even less. So I'm just going to stir it, let it cook for about 5 minutes, most likely less. So now my pepper soup is ready, so I will just serve it and enjoy my pot of pepper soup. I hope you like this video. Please try this recipe out, share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.